Hi folks, this is our first shot at a video, and we're going to be working with tissue papers, and we're going to show them how to apply to different substrates like vases and that type of thing. We're going to be working with birch bark, coastal mist, we've got fish papers, if you're doing a fish theme, and forest lawn. So we'll start by, what's one of the things, a lot of it doesn't look like much, but once you hold it up and get some light going through it, you see a lot of texture in it. And what we're going to do is take one of our vases, and we're going to wrap it, and we're going to apply gel medium to it, and we always have a piece of plastic on it somewhere, and somewhere, and you put it on there so you don't make a big mess of wherever you're working. And you paint the gel medium on, and then you put your paper on. And you can do it with a mayonnaise jar if you want to, for kids' projects and stuff like that. And then just tap it in, roll it over, and glue it in, and you end up with something that looks about like that. And you can use it as a vase for flowers and that type of thing, or as a luminary. And like what we did with some of our colored tissue, like they just showed, we did it on a bigger vase, and these are really neat vases. They're got a great sound. We use them for specimens primarily, but you put a votive light in it, and you got something that looks neat, especially in the dark, when it's doing that kind of thing. So that's about it.